Just got painting in my front part of my truck. See, I got the side parts, but I still got, so you see right there, I got orange peel right there. And some right here. But it look better up here, but like, probably want to sand and buff it out later though. I'm trying to do like this part right here next. This part all on here, on that side. But as you see right there, look, I put some wet look hardener. Something I got from paintforcars.com. I got that stuff. But just got that stuff not long ago. Cause this part right here, it's kind of dark in here, but like, let me see, turn it on, my light on. Let's see. Now you can see where I did get orange peel at, right there. You can see it. It'll look all right back there, but like messed up spots. But there look better. Let me see this. I'm gonna show this part over here. This is what I think I did last week, but I don't want to mess with this part now. See how this part looks. Look better, but not perfect. Right there don't look perfect. Would it turn out better? See how much put right there. I think I'd be better almost sanding this out. That was what I did like last week. I still gotta do, I'm gonna do over here again. This side. And I gotta do back right there. And this part right here. This door, but like. You see right there, I messed up right there when I did that. I'm gonna do this another time, but like, been using like this VLP gun now, but like, I tried up there, this HVLP spray gun had too much CFM on it, but even this will look better with the LVP gun, but wish I had a bigger compressor though. See, it's right here. It's only like 26 gallon. See right there, 26 gallon. Let me see. I want to say a CFM at. Can't even see it, but it's probably like 5 or something. But this ain't a real big compressor though. But that's about all for this video.